Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing these mini twists on blown out natural hair. And to get this blown out look, we're going to be using and reviewing this Maximum Thermal Protection line from Uncle Funky's daughter. They were kind enough to gift this to me, and it comes with their whole entire line. You get the shampoo, the conditioner, the primer, the split end serum, and a shine booster. So we're going to review and use all of these. Okay guys, I just got out the shower. If I sound congested, it's because I am. It's allergy. There's a lot going on. It's springtime. I just finished washing my hair with the shampoo and deep conditioner. So far, no complaints. I will say the deep conditioner, I had to use a lot of it to get it through my hair. And also the packaging, that bottle, well, let me just get it for you. This whole squeeze it out the bottle system doesn't really work for the consistency of this. It's kind of thick, so that was kind of hard to get out. This system does not come with a leave-in conditioner, so I ended up just putting in my own leave-in conditioner, just a light leave-in conditioner. Now I'm just gonna let this air dry a little bit, and I'm gonna blow dry it and apply their products and blow dry it, and then yeah, so I'll see you guys in like a few hours. So after shampooing and conditioning, you're to follow up with their primer, which is their basic heat protectant spray. And of course, you guys know I had to smell, make sure, you know, everything was good over here. But this was a very fresh, fruity smell. All their products do smell the same, so I did love that. And this is just like a light mist spray. Then I followed it up with the split end serum, which is like this light and creamy texture, and you're supposed to just focus it on your ends, of course. And I actually really liked this cream. Now, split end remedies, you know, but this did make my ends feel really nice at the end of this blowout. So that's probably one of my favorite products on this line. Next, we're going to follow it up with their Shine Booster, and if you guys remember, this kind of reminds me of like the gloss polishes we used to buy back in the day. This is basically what that is, and it gives a really good shine to your blowout. You can put it on before you blow your hair out and afterwards. I decided to do both. So before blow drying, I decided to go through a couple of my parts and apply all three of these products. Now, I will say that was kind of tiresome, just having a whole bunch of products, so I will definitely let you know near the end which products I think you should pick up specifically. So we're just going to use the comb attachment on my Dyson and just kind of go through my hair. I make weird faces when I blow dry. I don't know what it is. I don't know why I look disgusted, but I promise you this is not like a hard process or even a tedious process. I love my Dyson. I love how fast it works. So here's my hair afterwards, and I will say it still smelled really light and fresh. I loved that. I added some more of the Shine Booster, you know, just to add a little pizzazz at the end. You don't have to do this, but I added some of that in there. I will say my hair didn't feel as dry as it usually does when I blow dry my hair. I've spoken before on my channel about how I hate the dry feeling of, you know, after you blow dry, obviously, but it actually felt pretty moisturized and my ends felt really good. So that split end serum and that primer, my faves. After that, I went to bed because we all know mini twists are like a 3-day project. So this is just a little style I put my hair in, just some flat twists going back into a bun. Okay, hey guys, it's the next day and I actually went to the gym with my blowout, so it is a little shrunken. Other things I do and that I added just recently into my regimen to prevent, you know, the itchy scalp and the dryness and everything is this As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care, the Olive and Tea Tree Dandruff Oil Treatment. And this is what it looks like. And it also has salicylic acid in it, about 1.8%, and that also helps just combat itchiness and dandruff and anything like that. So if you're ever like dealing with itchy scalp, which I have plenty of videos on that on my channel, this is definitely a really great oil that I love. Like, all I do is apply this to my scalp one time once a week. and I feel good. We're doing these a little different this round of mini twists. So I follow this girl on Instagram. Her name is Curly Code Black, I believe, something like that. And she lives Rise or Dies mini twists. And you can follow her and see her growth journey with her mini twists. They're gorgeous, they're beautiful. So one of the tips she gave for laying down her mini twist is she uses a micro lock grid pattern. Now I've talked about my grid pattern here on YouTube with how I get them to look thicker, and this is kind of similar in pattern. So if you follow that video, if you've seen that video, I use a grid lock brick laying method, and it's kind of similar like that. There's just more sections and more like straight parts, and it's another extra step. So I want to try it out, see if it's cleaner, see if it does give an even thicker appearance. Like, let's see how my hair reacts to it. It does add an extra 30 minutes to the whole the whole mini twist process, but I did want to try it out and just see how my hair likes it. Once I'm done parting, I'm gonna well, here I'm gonna show you a picture of like the parting that I'm gonna try to do. It looks like just this is its own set. I'll explain it after I part. So I'm gonna just try to mimic that photo and kind of just get my parts to be boxes and whatnot. So let's see how long this takes me. I'm definitely gonna time it for you guys. So let me get started. I'll be back when I'm finished parting, and I'll let you guys know how it went. Okay, I tried. So basically here, ear to ear, I have 4 sections, ear to ear. The back, it gets a little wanky, but I'm showing it to you guys. So the bottom, I did just 2 big boxes, and then I kind of did 4 across. They look kind of wanky, I know, but here's box 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the top, I just kind of like triangled it out, or maybe it's better this way. So the top, I just did 1, 2, 3 right here in the center crown area, like 3 triangles. Not the straightest, but I think they didn't have to be too perfect, and I can clean them up as I go. So that took me, okay, so that took me about 30 minutes like I thought. I don't know if this is gonna help or do anything with my mini twist, but it's time to start twisting. So my favorite all-time product right now from Mini Twist is this As I Am Twist Defining Cream. It's phenomenal. It provides shine, it provides hold, it's just, but in combination with this, I'll probably use a light gel, or I might just use the Big Papa from The Dew. Today's mini twist combo is gonna be these 2. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna do these 2 sections in the back at least, because I hate filming the back, and I hate doing the back because it's so tiny. It's shorter back here. So once I get more close to the front, I'll show you guys how it's looking, how it's going, and all that. So yeah, see you guys soon. Okay guys, hey, welcome back. It's a few hours later. So I'm working on this side. I have the back and this side done. So we're gonna work on this side, and this side's always like the best side to kind of catch on camera. Basically, as you can see, I can't decide if the whole sectioning, like their micro locks thing, is working. I will say it's helping me keep track of how much I have left and everything, so I probably won't be able to tell till the end. But meanwhile, I wanted to just update on the brick laying method that I like to use to make my hair look thicker. So as you can see, I already did this row with 4 mini twists, and yes, I have low density, fine textured hair, so they look really tiny. We've been here with this conversation already. Anyway, so I always talk about laying the next ones in between these boxes so it can look more full when it lays down. So the easiest tip I've learned is to actually just put the comb, the pointer, like right in the middle of the braid, and then curve out your next box. Let me demonstrate. So I'm just going to, in the front here, I've also laid some edge control which is actually not laying that well, and I'm not sure why, but it's not my favorite edge control, so I'm not surprised it's acting up. So we're just gonna like do a sliver. Oh no, my comb literally just broke. Garbage. I do like a little sliver of hair. So making sure that's the right thickness. Maybe a little more. Okay. Get that out the way. So this is the piece we're gonna work with. Now, if you see these little pieces of my hair that are really short, you can refer back to my faux lock takedown video. And I'll explain all of that. Part where this box is, part right, can you see that? Right down the middle of this box. So, boom. That will ensure that the next row of mini twists will start laying correctly. So put it in between this one. Like, see how now it's gonna lay right in between those two? That's what we want. I'm gonna show you guys just how they kind of lay down when I'm done. So I'm also using an As I Am cream on here, and I just kind of dab just a little bit onto the section. And then I grab a dab of the gel onto the section. And like always, I'm starting with a mini braid. And then I'll start mini twisting. So now you can see how this lays right in the middle of these. And this will just give the illusion of your hair looking fuller and fuller the more you do it. Up you go. So basically, as you can see, they're all falling in between each other. And it'll look so much better when you're like styling it, like give it that full illusion if you have thin parts. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my head with the same manner, with the same parting method, and whew, I have this much left. So just these two squares and these middle squares, and then I'll be done. Wish me luck, guys. So here we are looking flat. Here are all the parts though, and how they're looking. I hate the first day of mini twists because they do look really flat on fine textured hair, and the way my hair is cut, I think they just lay kind of wonky. Here they are. Here's the back. I haven't even seen the back myself, so you guys get the first look. I will say the parts are super clean, and that sectioning them in that micro lock technique definitely helped. I don't see any harsh lines or anything, and they're laying pretty nicely. So not a bad method at all, I don't think. Also, I'd like to mention that I did trim my ends while I was doing this, so not every single twist, but a majority of them got like a cute little dusting on them. So it's also a good time to like check your ends when you do this style. It's a good length tracker, so my mini twists are definitely longer than my other mini twist videos, so that's fun to see. I can also see like what parts of my hair are longer than others and how it's kind of uneven. So that's just something for me to keep in mind. Overall, this did take me, gosh, I stopped last night. My hair is shorter now, so it doesn't take me as long, but I will say, I'll probably say 5 to 6 hours broken up. So I did 3 hours last night, and then I just finished today, and that took me maybe an hour and a half. So 5 to 6 hours, I'll round up. Please stay tuned for part 2, where I'll actually show you my weekly maintenance routine, what I do on a day-to-day basis. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Again, like I said, make sure you are subscribed and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my second mini twist video going into even more detail and tips and things like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give me a like if you did. Join the family, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.